Article 97. Liability for the defective products. Any Filipino or foreign manufacturer, producer, or any importer shall be liable for redress independently of fault for damages caused to consumers by defects resulting from design, manufacture, construction, assembly, and erection, formulas and handling and making up, presentation or packing of their products, as well as for the insufficient or inadequate information on the use and hazards thereof. A product is defective when it does not offer the safety rightfully expected of it, taking relevant circumstances into consideration, including but not limited to A. Presentation of product, B. Use and hazards reasonably expected of it, C. The time it was put into circulation. A product is not considered defective because another better quality product has been placed in the market. The manufacturer, builder, producer, or importer shall not be liable when it evidences A. That it did not place the product on the market, B. That although it did place the product on the market, such product has no defect, C. That the consumer or a third party is solely at fault.